Welcome, everyone, to this exciting video where we'll explore a groundbreaking AI technology that's making waves in the digital world. This unique AI tool can churn out complete essays in a matter of seconds, and in today's episode, I'll guide you through how to harness this advanced technology to create a source of income by simply copying and pasting text. But before we dive into the wealth of possibilities with ChatGPT, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Your support motivates me to produce more valuable content like this. Before we unlock the treasure chest of opportunities with ChatGPT, let's take a moment to understand what this exceptional technology is and how it operates. ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an AI chatbot that crafts text-based responses based on written prompts in an incredibly advanced and creative manner. For example, you can pose a question like, what are the top 5 methods for rapid weight loss? And, like magic, the AI bot generates a detailed response in mere seconds with just a single click. The power of this technology is truly remarkable and has the potential to save us valuable time and money, opening doors to limitless possibilities. Now, you might be wondering, how can I start making money using ChatGPT? Stay tuned and watch this video until the very end, as I'll provide some key tips to maximize your results. If you're no stranger to the world of the internet, you've probably heard of freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and more. But don't fret, in today's method, we won't be working as freelancers. Instead, we'll leverage ChatGPT to deliver services without having to lift a finger. So, how exactly does this work? Let's break it down step by step. To begin, head over to Fiverr, a well-known platform for freelancers. Explore the numerous categories available, but for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on articles and blog posts. As you can see, there are countless successful sellers in this category, some earning hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars each day. Here's a pro tip to expedite your success: specialize and niche down. Rather than creating a gig for generic blog posts, narrow your focus. For instance, offer blog posts tailored to specific niches such as weddings, fitness, or any niche that resonates with you. This strategy allows you to stand out and reduces competition. Let's imagine you receive an order to write an article about effective weight loss strategies. With ChatGPT as your trusty sidekick, you won't need to agonize over research and writing. This remarkable AI technology can generate the entire article for you in a matter of seconds. And just like that, you possess a fully written article ready for delivery, and you get paid without the laborious process of research and writing. It's nothing short of amazing. This method isn't confined to blog posts. It harbors the potential to help you earn thousands of dollars rapidly. The key is to be inventive and explore how to exploit it to your advantage. If you're eager to learn more about different avenues to make money with ChatGPT, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found it enlightening, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing for more engaging content. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in the next one.